Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. Friends, as far as we are concerned with this video, then the answer to this question is very amazing that I am here with you along with a very stylish, very creative, nature inspired, wildlife inspired, very true artistic and creative nature inspired events and nature's beauty, digital printed, 3D and hand painted, handcrafted, 3D very beautiful bed sheets, bed sets, quilt covers, cushion covers and pillow covers collection. Friends, as far as we are concerned with our home designing, with our home decor, then the first and the foremost thing that comes to our mind is the basic covers and the decoration of your bedrooms, guest room, and wherever you have placed your sleeping material, sleeping furniture like beds, single, double, or king size, or any other sort of sofa come beds or something else onto which you need to cover with some do-it covers or having some bed sheets or bed sets. Friends, these are very beautiful and eye-catching, and at the same time they represent a very mesmerizing look which usually catches the attention and attracts the person. Friends, the most important thing about these bed sets is that they represent a very artistic and creative view of nature, which gives a very soulful meaning and feeling to eyes, mind, and body. Those persons who have some sort of sleeping issues, some sleep disorder, or have some stress, minor acute depression, anxiety forms, then it is very important for them to design their bedrooms, to decorate their bedrooms in a way that helps them to relieve stress, tension, anxiety, depression, and minor and acute different mental disorder problems, so that these amazing and eye-catching nature-inspired floral bunches 3D representation of bedsheets could provide a very soulful and relaxing feel and mean to the persons using beds or relaxing onto their beds or having some sound sleep after some their hectic routine and hectic time. Because as far as we are concerned with our home decor, some bedding sets, some cushion covers or pillow covers, then we always look about some creative, some artistic thing, but we never thought that how we can arrange our bed to attract our attention towards mental peace, towards a very soulful and youthful view for your eyes and releasing stress, because these very beautiful nature inspired vision scenes takes the mind towards an imaginary world which relaxes him and at the same time provides him comfort, and the person using these badsets forgets about his or her worries and anxieties and went into some other world where he feels relaxed and he feels that greenery is all around him or her. And these bedsets are also very attractive for kids as well, because as you could see that very beautiful aquamarine life have been printed like whales, sharks, and very beautiful 3D digital printed garden inspired, imported roses inspired, very beautiful colors of roses bunches have been shown, sun amazing and creative collection of very beautiful ducklings wandering in green water, and some very beautiful artistic collection of peacock design with some various beautiful branches, bunches, and trees all around them. I hope friends that you will find these bed sets and very beautiful artistic collection of design patterns amazing and eye-catching at the same time. So If you like the video, if you like these designs, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with my new incoming latest updates and uploads of channel. And if you like the video, so do press the bell icon and make sure that you enable all notifications so that you would not miss any update to my latest videos. And press the like button if you really like my video. Share this video with your friends and family who are planning for their new home decors, and they are in search of finding some new creative and artistic stuff. And if someone is trying to decor their old home into some new creative and attractive form by remaining in low budget. And not only this, friends, if you want to have some creative and artistic ideas of hand art like hand embroidery, crochet work, silk ribbon embroidery, fabric paints, and much more, then do subscribe my channel and keep supporting me, keep watching my content as all of you do, and keep commenting below my videos and keep me aware of your interests and let me know about your choices so that I could share amazing design and style patterns according to your choices. So thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, stay blessed, take care of yourselves and your loved ones, spread positivity, remain positive, and be supportive to others. Be a source of positive motivation to your friends and family so that they could get success into their lives in their respective fields of interests. So take care, goodbye. We will soon be back with you along with some new designs, trendy styles, and much more.